Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about your Windows PC. And in today's video, I'll show you on how to use Text Extractor in Windows 11 PC. Text Extractor is an inbuilt tool that allows you to copy text from any image or from web page without any software installed in your Windows 11. Let me show you how you can use Text Extractor, the inbuilt tools in Windows 11. First thing first, make sure you come to your startup menu right here. Go ahead and click on your startup menu, and the next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on Snapping Tool. Once you click on Snapping Tool, then it takes you to this particular window right here. Now, another shortcut key by which you can get access to this Snapping Tool here is Window plus Shift plus S. Just press that on your keyboard, and this window here is going to pop up. Now, what we want to do here is to see how we can use this tool to simply copy or extract text from a certain object. For instance, this particular screenshot image right here, let's say for instance I want to use this as an example right here. So I want to simply extract text from this particular image right here. How do we do that? So what we want to do here is to come to our snapping tool right here. Make sure we click on this particular icon right here, Text Extractor. Then next thing you want to do is to drag to the area you want to copy the text. So once you drag on the area, allow the AI to do the work, and in a few seconds it's going to highlight and select the text that you want to copy. Let's say for instance you want to crop out some area, maybe mistakenly you select some area you don't want. Just drag and then leave the area you want to copy text from. Allow it to the highlight, then come to the top right here, click on copy all text. Successfully copy. Next thing you can do is to open up your notepad right here. Right, click on your notepad and then go ahead and make sure and then on your notepad right here, just press Ctrl V. This will allow you to paste into your notepad. However, you can make use of this particular tool also for web page to copy or extract text from any web page right here. So I'm going to go ahead and close up this one right here, and I will bring that to the web page right here. Now, on the web page, you may decide to use shortcut key to bring out your snapping tool, and for that press Window, Shift and S, and this window here is going to pop up. And next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on Text Extractor. Once you click on Text Extractor, highlight the area you want to copy text from. Like for instance, I want to copy all this text from this paragraph right here. Once you highlight, go ahead and highlight every area. Once you highlight the AI to copy it. This region is too small to scan for text. Then I'm going to highlight another set. So allow the AI to do the work, and it's going to highlight all the text, and then go ahead and click on copy all text. Once you copy all text, go back to your notepad right here, and then go ahead and press Ctrl V. This allows you to paste all text in your notepad. So you can see every text has been successfully copied from the web without any installing of app as far as snapping tool is concerned with Text Extractor. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.